Hi, princess. What's wrong? You're a puppy? Come here, puppy. You're a puppy. You're a puppy. You're a puppy. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Today I have my fourth installment of I should have posted this earlier in the month. In fact, earlier in the year. So I had started this Animal Crossing video like back in my deep obsession portion of this year. I had this idea where I wanted to do an outfit for every single one of my villagers, and ooh, I lost steam on that. So here I am with half of my villagers. 5 out of 10. That's good enough, right? So here's the thing. If you want me to do another one of these, you're gonna have to let me know so that I could maybe get the energy to order things for this video again. So I created outfits for 5 out of the 10 villagers that are actually on my island because I love all the dudes on my island. They're adorable and perfect. So if you feel like being any of these characters for Halloween, this is a good way to like gijinka them. So like to do like a gijinka form of something is like if it's an animal or a Pokemon or an inanimate object, I don't know, something, a character that is non-human, you turn it into a human. So people do this with like Pokemon, My Little Pony. Basically what you do is you try to find like themes within that character and turn it into like items of clothing. So if they're like fur or whatever is purple, maybe you wear a lot of purple clothes. So that's what I tried to do with this. Again, I did 5 of my villagers out of 10. This is my static look. I did my best. I wish a lot of things were different, but this is what we've got going on. So static is a beautiful purple squirrel with little like green and yellow swirls and a lightning bolt on his forehead. So I tried to do as much green and purple as possible. We've got some crazy eye makeup going on. I don't know if I'm pulling it off. I tried my best. I feel like this kind of like cool eye shape doesn't work as well on my eyes because I have hooded eyes, but we're trying it. It's like all of the purple is gone when I open my eyes because my eyes are hooded. But that's life. I didn't have any good purple wigs, so this is like a really old like Halloween store one. I really like this bodysuit and it works well because lightning bolts. And then I'm wearing this purple skirt that is too tight. Got it from ASOS, but I also wish that it was a different purple, but I didn't have any other purple skirts and there was no time, so here it is. So I do wish that this was a different purple. I'm also wearing this Sukajan because in New Horizons his original outfit is this little like Sukajan with little clouds on it. Japanese souvenir jacket, basically a bomber jacket with embroidery. I have my embroidered side on the inside because mine's a little more extra than his is, but here's my outfit. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I'm wearing these boots. They're reflective because I thought it worked with the lightning bolt theme. All right, so this is what I came up with for stitches. A couple things. First off, I decided to keep my face fairly unmakeupped. Stitches is a boy, and I just didn't want to go full on out. He's a lazy villager, so he likes to keep things chill, you know? He's very cute, adorable little guy. I decided to go for like a fall/winter look for stitches for a couple reasons. Number one is because he is a lazy villager and he always talks about liking to be cozy and comfortable. And when I think cozy and comfortable, I think fall/winter. But number two is this. I bought this shirt because it was perfect for stitches, okay? I'm just gonna take it off because it's not really a scarf. So I bought this shirt because it is the exact pattern of Stitch's shirt. Saw it, I needed it, but the only size left that ASOS had was a size 2. And I ain't no size 2. So I got it and I just, you know, tried my hardest to get it on my body. It kind of worked, but it looked crazy. So I decided to wrap it around my neck as a scarf because I still needed to put this print somewhere in the outfit. I matched that with like a plain white shirt and a little jacket to make it seem less odd that this was just wrapped around my neck. And these pants made sense for me because he's this little patchwork bear with lots of different colors, and this is kind of like a color block, patchwork feeling sort of pant. They're fun, they're circusy, they got a lot of the same colors that Stitches has. So that's what I did. Ideally, it would have just been this top with these pants, but you can't always have everything that you want, so we made do with what we had. Cause like, did you know that this was a dumb shirt wrapped around my neck before I told you? Let me know in the comments. So apparently, to me, Cherry is like a dominatrix secretary, goth dominatrix secretary vibes. Probably my favorite villager. Before I even got Animal Crossing, one of my best friends like sent me a picture of her like, oh my god, I just found you on an island. And I was like, that is me, because she lives somewhere between like pink and red in her coloring. She's just really cool. She goes, what? And she has a spider shirt on. And I thought that was neat. So I found a couple different options for this, but obviously I ended up wearing this one from Jaded London, and I thought that it worked nicely with this little pencil skirt, so she ended up with this vibe, you know? And I really needed to do the like split eye makeup situation for her because she has like a black spot over one of her eyes, and I thought that it looked really cute. I also drew in little eyelashes because she has little drawn in eyelashes, 3 on either side of the bottom. I could have done that more pronounced, but... Oh, and I threw on this little like choker because it felt very dog collar-y to me, and she's a pupper. I need to buy some better wigs, and I need to get rid of all of my, like, it's just a bag, and there's a bunch of crappy wigs just like floating around freeform inside of it. I need to get rid of those and then continue to collect good ones and then store them nicely. Because these were all a tangled mess within each other. So Moraine gives me housewife vibes for some reason. So I've gone with this for her. We have like cute little red pump on. Where are these from? I don't know. Let's say that they're from Pelle Moda. I feel like I got them from some like shoe website. What? Really? Where you got your shoes from a shoe website? I'm shocked. Yeah, no idea. No idea where these pumps are from. But they're little like peep toe, crisscrossy red pumps. They're not the same red as this dress, which is from Nasty Gal. It's a full dress, but I put this little like pink strawberry wrap top over it because I thought it looked cute that way. and I wanted to get in as many strawberries as possible because Merengue has a straw horn. And this is from Shein, from a haul that I still have not posted. And I have this necklace, probably from Amazon, and it's just a strawberry choker. I'm also wearing this little pink wig from Uvimi and a headband, also from Amazon. So I tried to incorporate as many elements as I could. She's wearing a little like red and white chef's outfit. So I have a red dress and a white headband. She's pink, I incorporated pink. She has a strawberry nose, I incorporated strawberries. Bonk, bonk. And I made her into this little like cute housewife outfit because I don't know, she just gives me those vibes. This is the wig. It's technically pink, but it looks very white on camera. I went with pretty simple makeup for her because I was going with this little like pinup housewife sort of vibe. So I went with a red lip to match her red outfit and just like a simple winged eyeliner because I thought it went well. Yeah, look at these. Look at these straws. Look at these straws. I have so many different reds on right now. That's just gonna have to be fine. I actually like the way that this like strawberry wrap top looks on top of this dress. Like it's a full-on, this is a dress, but it looks kind of cute together. I might do this more often, just like tops over dresses. This outfit is for Pinky. She is my peppy villager. She is a pink panda. She wears this cute little pink Chinese style shirt. It's in like a, I'm assuming it's in like a silk, so I went with this little like silk damask crop top to kind of mirror that. So I put, hello, I wonder if people can see you being weird as usual. Yes, you're being weird. Always. You're always being weird. Since she's my peppy villager, I decided to put her in something more trendy. She seems like, since she wants to be like a pop star, she seems like she'd probably follow trends and be like that girl. So I tried to make her look like that girl. These pants are truly making me realize how much weight I have gained over quarantine. They barely did up. I can hardly breathe. I hated pants as it was, but right now, ooh boy, sitting on my ass, eating food all day. Quarantine. Anyway, these clothes barely fit me right now, but these pants are from Forever 21, and this jacket is from Lazy Oaf. These shoes are by the brand called Liliana. They're like shiny guy shoes, but like she seems like, you know, one of them teenagers, like a Bratz doll-esque teenager, you know? The one that's like, oh, I'm wearing slouchy clothes, so that means I'm effortlessly cool. Well, I'm sitting over there in like my cosplay, looking at fashion magazines, thinking about what if I could have an Alexander McQueen dress. And then she's just like, oh, who, me? Whatever. Here's my face. I decided to give myself little spacey buns because she is a panda and she has little earsies, but I also wanted it to be very trendy, so I did like the middle part with the little dangly bits that was in the 90s, and now it's back with a vengeance. Like, what was this ever for? 5-10 years ago, when we were looking back at this and like making fun of it, you know? And here it is. Here they are. Back again. Back again. Like, why? Because it frames the face? It doesn't. They just fall right here and you're just like, now I can't see. This is directly in my pupil. So I tried to do like a really pink eye because she's a panda. She has little pinkies around her eyes, and I did a pink lip as well. And the ones I haven't done yet are Phoebe, Raymond, Freya, she actually just moved in, Marina, and Bam. Boom. So if you want me to do those ones, let me know in the comments and I will make a part 2 to this video. I've done a couple other videos on Animal Crossing if that is interesting to you, or you can check out my fashion videos on my channel. Obviously, don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.